The beauty of wooden beds in modern design. Wooden beds have been a timeless choice in interior design for centuries, and for good reason. They bring warmth, natural beauty, and elegance into any bedroom. But in today's world of luxurious and modern interiors, wooden bed designs have evolved far beyond the traditional. They now combine innovative craftsmanship, sleek aesthetics, and premium materials to create a centerpiece that exudes sophistication and comfort. If you're looking to upgrade your bedroom or are in search of inspiration for a new look, this script is for you. From intricately carved wooden frames to minimalist modern designs, we'll explore some of the most luxurious wooden bed ideas that can transform your space into a haven of style and relaxation. Let's dive into the world of wooden bed design and discover how these timeless pieces can elevate your bedroom to new heights of elegance. 1. Modern minimalist wooden beds. Simplicity with a touch of luxury. Let's begin with modern minimalist wooden bed designs. These beds focus on clean lines, understated elegance, and functionality. Minimalist beds often feature smooth finishes and sleek designs that highlight the natural beauty of the wood without overwhelming the space. One popular design is the platform bed. These low-profile beds are perfect for modern interiors, offering a sense of simplicity and openness. A platform bed crafted from high-quality woods like oak, walnut, or teak provides a luxurious yet grounded feel. Pair it with neutral bedding and subtle decor to create a calming and sophisticated bedroom. Another trend within minimalist designs is the use of geometric patterns. Some wooden beds incorporate headboards with intricate geometric carvings or inlays. These patterns add visual interest while maintaining the simplicity that minimalist design is known for. To take it a step further, consider floating wooden beds. These designs create an illusion of the bed hovering above the floor, adding a futuristic and luxurious touch to your bedroom. Minimalist wooden beds are perfect for those who appreciate the less is more philosophy. They prioritize quality craftsmanship and natural materials, creating a space that feels both serene and high-end. 2. Canopy wooden beds. A statement of grandeur. Next, let's talk about canopy wooden beds. Few designs evoke a sense of luxury quite like a canopy bed. Traditionally associated with grandeur and opulence, modern wooden canopy beds are making a stylish comeback, blending classic elegance with contemporary aesthetics. Imagine a sleek wooden canopy frame with sharp angles and a minimalist finish, paired with light, flowing curtains or sheer fabric drapes. This design not only creates a cozy, intimate sleeping area, but also serves as a bold architectural feature in the bedroom. For a more modern look, consider canopy beds with open, angular frames that skip the traditional drapery altogether. The focus remains on the clean lines of the wood and the airy feel it creates in the space. For those who love a more rustic or natural look, there are canopy beds made from reclaimed wood or unfinished timber. These designs emphasize texture and authenticity, giving your bedroom a one-of-a-kind, eco-friendly charm. Whether it's a polished walnut canopy bed or a rustic oak frame, this style is perfect for making a bold, luxurious statement in your bedroom. 3. Intricately carved wooden beds, artistry at its best. For those who appreciate craftsmanship and detail, intricately carved wooden beds are a must. These designs showcase the artistry and skill of master woodworkers, turning a simple bed frame into a work of art. Intricate carvings often include floral patterns, geometric motifs, or even traditional designs inspired by different cultures. For example, you might find Indian-inspired wooden beds with ornate carvings on the headboard and footboard, or classic European designs with scrolling vines and acanthus leaves. One particularly luxurious approach is to combine intricate carvings with high-quality finishes. A deep mahogany bed with hand-carved detailing and a glossy finish instantly elevates the room, adding a sense of sophistication and heritage. Alternatively, lighter woods with subtle carvings can create a softer, more contemporary look. These beds are perfect for those who want their furniture to tell a story. Each carved detail adds personality and depth to the design, making it a true centerpiece in any bedroom. 4. Upholstered wooden beds, the best of both worlds. Another luxurious option is combining wood with upholstered elements. Upholstered wooden beds offer the perfect balance between the natural warmth of wood and the plush comfort of fabric or leather. One common design is a wooden bed frame with an upholstered headboard. The combination of solid wood and soft padding creates a striking contrast, both visually and texturally. You can opt for neutral fabrics like linen or cotton for a timeless look, or go bold with velvet or leather for a more dramatic effect. For a truly high-end design, consider custom upholstery with tufting or stitching patterns that match your room's decor. The wooden frame can feature decorative details, such as tapered legs or beveled edges, adding an extra touch of elegance. Upholstered wooden beds are perfect for those who value both style and comfort, creating a bedroom that feels as luxurious as it looks. 5. Reclaimed wooden beds, sustainable luxury. Sustainability is no longer just a buzzword. It's becoming a lifestyle choice for homeowners who want to make eco-friendly decisions without compromising on style. Reclaimed wooden beds exemplify this trend perfectly by combining sustainability with timeless luxury. These beds are crafted from repurposed wood salvaged from old buildings, barns, furniture, or even ships, and each piece carries a sense of history and character that cannot be replicated by newly harvested materials. What makes reclaimed wood so special is the story embedded within its imperfections. The weathered textures, natural patina, and unique grain patterns showcase a rich journey through time. The knots, cracks, and subtle color variations add depth and character, making each bed a one-of-a-kind piece. These imperfections are not flaws. They're features that celebrate the wood's resilience and charm. Designers and craftsmen often pair reclaimed wood with sleek, modern frames or minimalist structures to create a stunning contrast. This combination balances the rustic warmth of the wood with contemporary elegance, making reclaimed wooden beds a versatile choice for various interior styles. Whether your bedroom leans toward modern, industrial, or farmhouse aesthetics, a reclaimed wooden bed can serve as a centerpiece that ties the entire space together. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, reclaimed wooden beds make a strong statement about sustainability. By choosing reclaimed materials, you are reducing demand for new wood harvesting and contributing to the preservation of forests. Each bed made from repurposed wood reduces waste and gives new life to materials that might otherwise end up in a landfill. Knowing that your bed is both beautiful and environmentally responsible adds a deeper layer of meaning and value to your home. Reclaimed wooden beds are ideal for those who want their furniture to tell a story while aligning with their values. They're not just functional pieces. They're works of art with a soul, imbued with a history that enriches the atmosphere of your bedroom. The luxurious feel of natural wood, combined with the satisfaction of making an eco-conscious choice, creates a truly unique sleeping experience. Conclusion: finding the perfect wooden bed for your home. A wooden bed is far more than a utilitarian piece of furniture. It's an investment in style, comfort, and craftsmanship. Choosing the right bed can transform your bedroom into a sanctuary of relaxation, showcasing the harmony between functionality and artistic design. With the wide variety of wooden bed styles available today, there's something to suit every taste, preference, and interior aesthetic. If you lean toward simplicity and clean lines, a minimalist platform bed may be the perfect fit. These beds emphasize the natural beauty of wood with understated elegance, often blending seamlessly into modern and Scandinavian-inspired interiors. On the other hand, if you're drawn to drama and grandeur, a Canopy wooden bed can bring an air of opulence to your bedroom. With its towering frame and intricate detailing, it becomes a centerpiece that commands attention. For those who value artistic craftsmanship, hand-carved wooden beds are the ultimate expression of luxury. These pieces often feature intricate patterns, floral motifs, or even geometric designs, highlighting the skill and creativity of the artisan. Each bed becomes a unique statement piece, reflecting a blend of heritage and innovation. One of the greatest advantages of wooden beds is their versatility. Wood can be paired with a variety of materials, such as metal accents, upholstered headboards, or even resin inlays, allowing you to create a custom look that fits your personal style. The ability to experiment with different textures, finishes, and stains further expands the creative possibilities. Whether you prefer the deep richness of walnut, the warm tones of oak, or the light and airy feel of pine, the natural beauty of wood always shines through. Beyond their visual appeal, wooden beds are known for their durability and timelessness. A well-crafted wooden bed is built to last for generations, becoming a cherished part of your home story. Unlike furniture made from synthetic materials, wood ages gracefully, developing a unique patina over time that enhances its character. This durability ensures that your investment in a wooden bed continues to pay off year after year. Choosing a wooden bed is not just about following trends. It's about creating a space that reflects your personal taste, values, and lifestyle. Your bed is where you recharge, dream, and find comfort, so it's important that it resonates with your sense of home. Whether you prioritize sustainability, craftsmanship, or design, the right wooden bed can help you achieve the perfect balance. Take inspiration from the endless possibilities that wooden beds offer, and let their natural beauty transform your bedroom into a haven of elegance and warmth. From reclaimed wood designs that honor the past to modern creations that embrace the future, wooden beds are a timeless choice that celebrates the artistry of nature and human creativity.